Oh, kitten cat. Is it morning? Good morning, kitten cat. Hey, kitten cat. Are you cute? Are you a cute kitty? Oh, hey, look who it is. It's Juniper Dax. Dax, come here, buddy. Oh, Dax, you're so cute. Oh, you want pets too? Oh, be nice to Dax. Dax loves you. I promise. Daxy, come here, baby. Uh-oh. No, we don't do any of that. Come on, be nice. Kitten cat, I know you're bird crazy. It's okay. Dax is bird crazy too. Hey, kitten cat, here's your mousy toy. You want your mousy toy? Mousy toy. You like mousy toy? Whee! You like mousy toy. Kitten cat, come back. Oh, I love you, kitten cat. Hey, buddy. Oh, you're a good girl. Yes, I love you. It's okay. I know, I hear the birds too. It's all right. Daxy, I know you're looking at the birds. Why are you looking at those birdies? Come on, Daxy. Oh, Daxy. You're a good girl, aren't you? Oh, poor Daxy. Daxy? The birdies do love you, though. Remember when they used to fly to the window and look at you? Oh. Daxy's going on, she's 7.5. She's going to be 8 years old in August. I had her since she was a 5-month-old older kitten. She's a long hair. I think there's a little Maine Coon in there. But she's very gentle with humans. She likes cats too, but not as much. Dax. And they don't really get along that much. But as you can see, they both love birdies. So, Kitten Cat Gandalf, which is the gray tabby, that are in a lot of the videos, was a rescue that one of my friends found on her property. Kitty had a broken leg as a kitten, and we nursed it back to health with a lot of help from the vet. She did very well, and she's extremely acclimated to people, and is actually probably the best to all indoor cats, but she's probably the best when it comes to dealing with rodents. I really don't like it when they do that, but she is really, really bird crazy right now. All right, well, have a good morning, kitten cat. All right, I love you, buddy.